One fine day, I thought I was alone at home. So I opened my laptop, and was having fun, on hands-free mode. But, suddenly someone entered my room. Shit. But this device saved me. By opening an educational website. Thanks to it. Do you want to know what it is, and how it saved me? So, the concept here is that we have an ultrasonic sensor to sense the distance of any object in front of it. The microcontroller gets the sensor reading and has a threshold set. If the threshold is crossed, then it sends out the signal to the computer via serial communication. The Python code running on the computer is responsible for reading this signal and acting upon it by opening another tab. In a normal situation, I can quickly do Alt-Tab and change the application or tab. But here my hands are busy, you know what I mean. So, this setup is very important. This is the CAD design. Here we can see the whole setup of my room. As soon as someone enters my room from the door, the sensor will detect it. It will then send the data to the microcontroller. Microcontroller will send it to the computer will switch the tab. And this is the exact same setup as the CAD. This is the circuit schematic. We can see the sensor connected to the microcontroller via the power and ground wires, and the trigger and echo wires. And here's the actual setup, with the same connections. After setting it up as per the plan, it was working. Now I can enjoy myself without fear of embarrassment. I can open any website, even the adult one, and this setup will save me. Not just the website, this device even works for software. Now I am a free bird. It can be used for many good purposes as well. It is versatile and can work with any software, you just need to know the command to invoke it. It can be used to control volume and brightness, we have made a video on it earlier, but there are some limitations to it. The ultrasonic waves do not get reflected properly by fabric, they either get absorbed or dispersed. So I have used a cardboard sheet as a smooth surface to make it work properly. So this setup might not work as is. It might require some fine-tuning of the sensor threshold, or a different sensor altogether. So, be safe, be private, and be incognito. That's all for now. See you again with more robotic technologies. Robotics every day.